Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Well, I went phone hunting and I think this video will come before that phone hunt, but I got some phones and one of them is this one. Well, when I saw it in the pictures how it looked like this, you know, a shattered, some sort of Nokia Lumia phone. But when you turn it around, it's a Nokia 1020 Pureview, the one with the 41 megapixel camera. And I was stoked to see that. I mean, yeah, the touch and the display is shattered and the phone won't start. I managed to open it up. You just open it on the left side and like so. That's how we get it out. And the cable just came out by itself, but as you can see, well, this is to be thrown at the junk. And this appears to be water damaged. And I really want to save this phone, and I try all I can. So wish me luck, because I really want to make this. I already found a new touch and display assembly to buy, brand new, but if this is dead, there's no need to do that. I try to charge it and it won't charge. So I'm guessing the battery is also dead, but seeing how much corrosion is in it, I'm a bit worried. I could have used some corrosion remover as it is, but I don't want to get everything messy. What I'm mostly afraid of is the camera module, because I saw some condensation in it and I hope it's not damaged. I'm going to start unplugging everything. Something missing here. Oh, it's here on the display. Okay. Wait a minute. This is the camera and the light sensor. I thought this had to do with the touch and the display, but I was so wrong. So this appears to be the front-facing camera and the sensor, which looks in one piece, so reusable. And this cable is for the touch and the display. It's swollen here. And if I look through the cracks, from the touchscreen cracks, the display is also cracked, so either way is not good. Still holds in place here. Oh, here's another connector. Oh, this is the camera module, this whole big thing. Wow. It's full of water. Look at this. I'm pushing it and water is coming out of it. Oh my god. Oh, it condensates. Oh my god. I do not like what I'm seeing here. It appears to be moving. Come on. My god, this is a huge module. Woohoo! This is the... happens to be full of water. Yeah. I'm gonna put this to dry. The whole headphone jack assembly and the earpiece. I'm taking it out because I really want to clean this. I'm really hoping that it will live on. Yeah, the earpiece and the metal frame. Here's a Wi-Fi cable. Oh, came off, good. I'm guessing it has a xenon flash by the look of it. Yeah. I wonder if the flash snapped. I hope not. I think I need to take this plastic part out. Like so. It's plastic or metal? No, it's plastic. Or metal? Plastic. Ugh. BV5XW. Oh, 2000 milliamp battery. Is the battery the one that snapped in it? Wait, this is a screw. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. It was a screw. Because of the corrosion I did not see it. Now I need to draw again on this thing. Well, now it's moving. Oh my god, my workbench. Oh, no, come on, dude. Why you hate me this much? And this is a true water damage. Right. This is horrible. My god, I'm gonna cry. Well, no need to mark these screws, because they're clearly the smaller ones. Oh my god, is the flash condenser also damaged? Oh, okay, it's removable, but I don't know what to expect from this. I honestly don't know what to expect from this, but yeah. This plastic or metal? Appears to be metal. Take this out of the way. This is the tiny hinge for the SIM. I can put this here near the finally out. I don't know how this is the metal part supposed to go first. Oh my god, I bented this so much. I'm starting to unstick, that's for sure. Oh my god, it shattered. That's how corroded it is. And of course you have the antenna on the back here, so I have to be extra careful. Yes, finally, here it is. This was some strong adhesive, but I needed to take this part off. And it gotten... Look how corroded it is, it's literally falling apart. If I pull too hard on it, it will snap. Well, it's still usable at least. My god. Is this cable glued here? Yes, it is. Great. The antenna as well. I can leave this here. here are the buttons. Okay, it's out. Still in one piece, even though I pulled it hard. This thing can remain there. Now let's lift is the other antenna. So technically the speaker goes first, then the metal frame. Okay, this is coming off easy. Well, it was also glued here. I'm guessing this frame comes together with all the accessories in it when you buy it new. But yeah, I'm not buying it new. Okay, completely disassembled. Oof. I'm gonna use a lot of corrosion remover. My god, you can hear it boiling. That's how much corrosion it has. Time to clean these parts. I tried a little charging the battery and apparently it worked, so I cleaned it just a bit so that I don't end up setting it on fire. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have to keep my hands here so that it won't splash. Oh my god, it's snapping apart here. Oh, look at this corrosion. This thing has stayed in a corrosion atmosphere. Either in salty water or I don't know. Because on pure water it doesn't corrode like this anymore. I'll get to clean this, rinse it and be right back. I've rinsed it and this is how the frame looks. See how it's snapped here from the corrosion? This is what happens when you keep it in water too much. And I have a big hunch that this phone isn't going to work anyway because so much time in water. Yeah. This is the main board. Here's where it had the most corrosion. What we can do here. Out of all the parts, the outer shell is still usable. 100%. Well, here we have it. This, well, the aesthetics are the back aesthetics. It's mostly reusable, but we'll see what is functionality. And now looking at the camera, I've dried it a bit, and if you look at, let me get in better position. So look at the camera lens. Yeah, so I dried this as best as I could. I'll test it out. I'm gonna try something a bit more extreme since it won't start anyway, it's dead anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna put some of, well, technically it's acid. Oh, look at it boil. Ooh, the smell. Need to put my gloves for this. Oh my god, the smell is toxic. I need to finish up quickly. Be right back. Yeah, so like I said, this main board is dead anyway, but now I rinsed it with water because I had no other choice. Oh my god, it's looking better. I've also cleaned it with the brush, but it's literally better. Right, so I'll get to dry this and be right back. Yeah, here it water got into it. Well, I bought it like this. No need for me to wear the gloves anymore. I'll go dry this and be right back, hopefully with good news. Yep, so it's dead. Well, at least I hold that for a few seconds in my hand, the Nokia 1020 Pureview. Well, what's left of it anyway. And honestly, a part of me really wished that this phone would work. I mean, yeah, this is the power of water damage. It, well, damages all. Well, that's it for today's video. Now we know what's inside a Nokia 1020. So, I don't know if you enjoyed this. Personally I didn't. I wished it was in better condition, but hey, for what, like €2 from a phone that was how much new? I don't know. Yeah. Now I don't know. Should I do a teardown of the camera? Because, well, it's also damaged and it had a crack here or here. Here it had a crack, and when I pressed it, water was coming out first time. So if you want to see a teardown video of this camera, let me know in the comments and I will do it. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, leave a like please, it helps me a lot. Subscribe if you feel like it, and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves, and all the best. Bye bye.